Ayan, salamat sa pagpunta guys sa aking LS. Thank you so much, Amore Johanna Vivita. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. And much appreciated po. Salamat po, Amore Johanna Vivita and Kaho sa Live. Salamat sa pagpunta. Ayan, ayan. And thank you so much for my one. Ayan, nawawala si host. Thank you so much for my 1 million viewers. Salamat po. Salamat sa sa kay host. Ayan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang hirap ng ang hirap na walang yung connection nahanapin eh. Nahanap yung connection. Wait eh. Thank you so much. Welcome, Amore. Tatlo na lang pala, graduate na ka na. Oo nga, sumasabit. Naka-graduate na ako. Nalagasan lang ako ng mga more than 30. Tapos, malapit na ulit. Tapos, nalalaglag sila. Nalalaglag sila. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. In, i-give ka namin para grade 9 ka na. Oh my God, thank you so much, Amori Johanna. Oh, thank you so much. Alam na. Salamat talaga ng sobra, Amori. You're so, you're so, talaga, you're so good. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you so much, Amori Johanna, sa pag-grade 9. Ano ba yan? So, push talaga. Kailangan ng work hard. Fabulosa Vlogs. Hello, Fabulosa Vlogs and Johanna Bubitas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yung nagloloko. yung, eh, salamat. Tamsak dan, Amore. Salamat sa patamsak, mga Amore. Amore. Thank you so much sa patamsak kay host. Kinokonek ko yung isa kong Mira Velosa. Hello, Mira Velosa. Ang dami. Salamat. Salamat sa patamsak. Thank you so much. Salamat po talaga, Amore Johanna Bubita. You're so, talaga, good influencer. Sana all. Sana all like you. Tamsak dan, Amore. Tamsak dan. Thank you so much, Amore. OMG. Hindi gumagana yung aking salamat po sa patamsak kay host. Oh my God. Wait lang kasi kinokonek ko yung isa kong Wait lang po. Oh my God. Stargazer, thank you so much Stargazer sa patamsakay ho. Salamat po ng bonggang-bongga. Salamat po. Salamat po talaga. Oh my God. Salamat po sa pagbisita kay host. Nag-ano, madilim. Madilim na nga, madilim pa yung ano, maitim na nga, madilim pa yung ano, na hindi na ako nakita. Thank you so much at Team Amori. Salamat po sa patamsak kay host. Thank you so nawala yung connection, sorry po. Sorry. I'm back. Dahil minahal mo ako, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Huhulihin ko ang bala. Thank you so much for my 3 million viewers. 3 million. 3 million talaga. Thank you so much, Team Amori. Thank you so much po sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. Thank you so much. Ingatan ng salamat po sa patambay mga ka-Team Amori. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Hindi ako maka-connect sa aking Nourish. Hello everyone. Already many people here. Yes, and thank you so much, Nourish for Music and Tema Mori. Kahost Alive, Johanna Babita, of course. Matthew, Ferrari Vlogs. Thank you so much. The support you guys. Much appreciated po. God bless. God bless us. Hindi ako maka-connect sa isang ano, nawala yung Kung kailan nag-enlist na saka pa lang ako magpe-prepare, oh, 'di ba? Filipino attitude 'no? Ni wala akong time mag-ano, mag-share. Mag-share ako kailan LS na 'no, nangarag na. You can send your link. Here? Send the link here? Here? Oh, wait. Wait, where? Oh, nawala. Say. Ay, where ba 'yan? Sorry. Send the link and okay. Nourished by Music, hello. By Stargazer. Stargazer, thank you so much for stay. Salamat po, Team Omori. Salamat ng sobra-sobra. Stargazer, happy to see you again. Yes, happy to see them again. And where comic issues. Where nakalimutan ko when I put send the link. When I invite, ayun, send the link. I love to see thumbs up. How are you all by Nourish by Music? Yes. Thank you so much for the thumbs up and for my 4 million viewers. Thank you so much, guys. Ayun, ayun. Double multitask yun tayo. Ayan. I send the link. Oh my god, thank you so much for the thumbs up at Team Amaris, Team Solid, and Team Magayon. Team Magayon. Ang daming team na sinabi, 'no? Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Dahil minahal mo ako, di ka lumipat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Salamat po sa pagtambay. Uy. Wait. Hindi ako makakonek sa isa kung ano, ano ba yun? Dahil ingat ka ng pag-ibig. Ayan. Hindi ako makabigay ng jacket kasi hindi ako maka-connect dito sa isa. Sorry guys, wait. Sorry, hindi ako makabigay ng jacket. Miguel. Yes. Wait. Oh my god, how I wait. Yes. I joined. Alright. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, no worries. No worries. Thank you so much for my 3 million viewers. Hi. I didn't connect here. I try to connect. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello everyone.
I tried to connect.
Today it's raining here. It's raining.
Raining. Here, not raining.
Raining?
No,
Same.
but not
Here
not
rain.
good
No
rain.
rain for a long time. No rain for a long time. Because sunny for 2 weeks.
Hello. Thumbs up Dan from Mateo Ferrari Vlog. Thumbs up Dan. Thank you so much for the thumbs up.
Mute.
Mute. Mute. Mute.
Mute. Muted. You can't
Hello.
hear. Who is muted? Now okay. That's okay.
Thank you so much, Mateo.
Tomorrow I go out in another city near the sea. Another city near the sea. I cancel today. Cancel trip.
You cancel.
Cancel.
You cancel.
Tomorrow I travel a little.
You go tomorrow. You
Wait.
go.
Vacation feels good. Vacation lazy. Vacation.
I comment.
Thank everyone for being here.
Thanks so much to joining us here and for the thumbs up. And of course for the Team Amori. And thank you so much guys for the thumbs up and sa patambay. Sana okay lang kayo dyan sa Europe. Okay lang ako dito sa Pinas. I'm okay here.
She's gonna sleep. She's not sleeping.
She's not sleeping. Your mom?
Quoi? Ouais, touche pas trop. Putain. Ah, il fait lourd aujourd'hui, c'est dingue. Il fait lourd. Faut mettre de l'air. Ça fait du bien l'air.
Ah,
Ouais. Bah, enlève-le, c'est plus simple. Enlève. C'est plus simple si t'enlèves. Avec Cheryl.
yes.
On est avec des gens en ligne. Mais ils te voient pas.
Okay. Your mom?
Chicken. I hear chicken.
Here?
Aujourd'hui. 23 entreliés, c'est pas
May tabo ka ata dyan, ah.
The neighbors have chicken.
Il y a du soleil.
Here, how about you?
Ça va se lever, il y a du soleil.
Ah, that's weird. I hear chicken.
That's so weird. Because I thought,
Or maybe hen. Hen.
Ken? Ken?
Hen.
Hen. Hen.
Hen.
Hentai. Hen.
It's raining. Il pleut.
Inahin.
Les autres
Inahin.
aussi.
Hen.
Enfin, tous
Inahin.
les gens qui écrivent là. C'est tous les gens qui
Chicken.
sont- What?
Inahin. Hen.
Hen.
Chicken.
Ah, yes. Chick. Hen. Hen.
And
The woman. The woman
the woman chicken.
chicken. The woman chick. The chick woman.
And the no the mother of chicken and no not all the
woman-
mother ina all the woman mother ina
The chicken.
but when the chicken
the
mother of
queen.
chicken inahin
No. What is the baby? Baby
the
name.
chicken baby of chicken
Chick.
chick
Chick.
chick
Poussin in French. Poussin.
pusa chick
Poussin.
pusa
The
here cat
chicken baby.
pusa in Tagalog cat ay no pusa cat here
Cat.
pusa cat
In French,
Poussin.
it's not poussin. Poussin.
pusa
It's nasal. Nasal.
no
Poussin.
nasal pusa 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 here pusa means
Cat.
pusa pusa here pusa pusa
What is
what it means
the
pusa
meaning?
ka
It means be careful.
yes
Pusa.
pusa pusa yes be careful pusa
I guess. Poussin.
pusa
Chick.
Huh?
English. Yes, the young chicken.
Chick.
But poussin also means honey. Honey.
Oni.
Like
Oni.
honey, like darling.
Honey. Honey.
Honey.
Honey.
Darling.
Chick. Chick. Honey. Honey chick.
It's another. Tu vas pas dormir finalement, toi, du coup?
Bonjour. Ça va? Ça va? Ça va?
Bonjour. Hello, everyone. Who is
Ça va?
watching us? Tell us
Thanks.
who is watching.
Thanks for
Uh,
watching us here,
Wait,
everyone.
I want to use a picture background if I can.
Okay. Me?
I tried
Me.
to use, I don't know what I use.
I use.
Oh, maybe I make self-promotion. Self-promotion.
Friends.
My next video.
Next video.
Does it work? You
It
can
works.
see. You see?
You see?
Oh, I see you, but it doesn't work for me. Well, I don't know why it doesn't work. It's not working. This. Ah. I wonder why it doesn't work. Background color. Hey, I'm alone. I'm alone. Thanks, Matteo. Ferrari. You're back. I don't know why I can't use the background. Maybe the color is not good.
Yes, I'm back. Oh my god.
I need a green screen or blue screen behind me.
Oh, wait.
It works for you. Ça marche. It's not blue. Doesn't work.
Yes, I'm here now. Sorry. I am sorry. I'm lost.
You're lost.
Sorry, yes, I lost. I am
You're
lost.
back.
You ate lunch there?
Yes. It's already 4:32.
32.
4:32 p.m.
Yes, 10:32 p.m. here. Almost about 1,000. 30 minutes.
I'm sad
10:30
because it doesn't work. You
doesn't
have
work.
background?
No.
Oh no, it's real.
Yes, it's real.
Is it?
It's
Is
real
it?
background.
It's real. I can
Yes.
touch.
Oh my God.
It's real.
I like time. Time is gold.
Time is passing by, and a plane. You can hear the plane.
Yes. Really. My sister
Crash.
messaged
Can make. Can make.
me.
I don't know why it doesn't work
Come make.
today. Ah, I think I'm.
You do it. You can do
uh,
it.
I don't see myself, but you can see a piano.
The piano.
The
Wait,
piano
I try.
and
I try.
the sea.
Yes. The sea.
I found how to do it. I need to use fade,
Fade.
and move the cursor. Fade. You add.
Cursor.
You go to make
Okay.
cam make green screen and fade. You increase fade.
Please fade.
You can change and you can do like this completely or
Work.
it's nice if
That's
you find
nice.
a good picture. No, not
I'm
this
lost again.
one. Why you're lost? You're lost where?
Oh my God. Why you did it well?
Oh, no, you need to use blue.
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 Background color. Choose blue.
Blue.
And fade. We increase the fade.
Maybe I try do it later because I felt worried if I lost again.
If you disappear. Where is the piano? You see
Piano.
the piano?
Secret piano.
I'm playing the piano. You see, I'm
Something.
playing.
I'll play a Ferrari flag. Yes, because you're a musical lover.
I think it's a little blurred. I need the blue background. I found blue.
Yes,
It's my mattress. The mattress is blue.
the mattress. The
I need to stay like this.
the mattress. The
The
mat. What's
mattress.
mattress?
is
Sarap.
blue. Need to find blue. The kids are back from school. I can
When
hear
you
outside.
visit, yes,
Hmm?
you visit before Netherlands, they are
No,
flowers.
Netherlands. Netherlands. Yes. Someone asked this. Oh no, I'm lost.
Uh,
Oh my
Netherlands
god.
have a
Heart.
beautiful flowers also, tulips.
Yes, the tulips in
Have
Netherlands.
flowers in
I
Netherlands.
visit Amsterdam,
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 and The Hague, The Hague,
Hague,
The Hague,
um, Hague, the
The Hague.
lake,
The
the Hague,
look, I'm gonna type. See the
Hague.
chat.
Okay,
The Hague, The Hague, Amsterdam,
the
and
Hague,
third
Hague.
city,
The pronunciation,
another
Hague
city. I
city,
don't remember another city. Also,
Italy,
no,
uh,
I haven't.
Portugal. I think you go in Portugal.
Yes,
I
Portugal.
remember.
Mm, not Lisbon. Porto. Porto.
Porto, the
Porto.
city, the main city, Porto,
They make wine. Port wine.
Port wine.
The wine. The Portuguese
What is
wine.
your favorite wine?
Oh,
Here,
this one
wine, red,
actually.
red horse,
I think port wine is my favorite.
port wine.
Uh, Shame on me because it's not French wine. Port wine I prefer. Maybe first, second, red, wine. Second,
Port wine,
yes,
wine,
port
port
wine.
wine.
I think if you try, you love port wine. If you try it, it's
I
so good.
didn't try. I didn't try any wine.
You
I
didn't
tried
try
red horse, gin, tanduay. I
white.
tried tanduay, not wine.
Some white wine is good too. Some white and some green wine also. Also like green. Uh,
Sana all may
red.
pa-wine.
Port wine is sweet. That's why I like sweet wine.
Okay,
Port wine
sweet wine.
from Portugal.
Here
Here we
the
have.
wine,
Hmm?
the drink, the drink, uh,
The drink.
alcohol drink, not, oh, not called a wine. It's called hard wine.
Hard wine.
Yeah. The taste is bitter, bitter, bitter,
Bicol
not good.
wine.
Bitter.
B.
Here have a rice wine.
Hot
We
wine.
have also here rice wine.
Oh, rice wine
Yeah,
with rice.
rice.
You put the rice
But I like.
in the wine.
I think I like
Rice.
grapes wine. France. classy,
Red French
saucy,
wine.
French wine. French wine.
French
Looks
wine.
like but expensive wine.
The red or white? Red or white
Red,
wine?
red,
Because
red,
French also is white, both
white.
red and white. Yes,
I
white
also
and red.
I
The
also white
two
and red.
French wines,
Okay, just two choice.
but red is harder. Red,
Okay,
it's more, you have to get used to it when you drink because first time it's hard. Some people it's
mulled
hard.
wine.
White is easier to drink. White,
Easier.
it's a big tradition.
You know how to taste the wine?
How to taste?
Yes, the wine. I'm alright.
I just taste normally. I just taste like
Wait, wait, how to, dun sa dito, sa amin, ganon. So, lasingan sa inyo. For you, how to drink, ganon. We drink, tagay pa more.
no, just normal
Just
drinking.
normal, like, it's a
Not
salty.
like and not like just normal.
We, we have here to drink like that.
Uh, one one time, just one time. Yeah, but not with wine. Wine needs to be tasted slowly because it's wine. It's more as prestige, prestige.
Prestige, prestige.
It's chic, chic,
Chick,
fancy, fancy.
fancy.
It's fancy drink. So you need
I think
to
too normal,
drink, not
too
move
formal,
too fast.
too formal to
Not
drink
too.
wine.
When you say fast, it's shots, just the shots,
Here,
shots.
tanduay, not wine. We drink tanduay because wine is
Red
so
wine.
expensive. Yeah. Giselle, ayi, ayi.
Someone is laughing.
She's
Stargazer.
my, she's my niece Giselle.
There is
She's my
Jezel.
niece. Yes, my niece. She's she's smart
Hi
and
Jezel.
beautiful.
Thanks
Giselle.
for watching us talk
Watching and
about
join.
wine.
We talk about wine. Wala kang pa-wine dito. Dito sa amin na tanduay. Not wine. May pa-gin pa nga eh. Di ba, Giselle? May pa-gin, may pa-red horse.
Kumusta?
Because we drink, kumusta? Yan. Kumusta ka, akin man? Ganon. Kumusta? You see charot. Say charot. Charot.
Carrot. Carrot.
Charot. Carrot. Will. Haha.
Du coup, t'es pour une dame,
Kahos sa life. Will. Thank you sa pag-stay sa amin. Ayan, we talk about wine. Kasi si
Below.
Susi sila mag-inom ng wine. Sa atin may pa-redors na tayo dito eh. Pa-redors.
Hello.
Ang hirap kaya mag-inom
Okay.
dito ng ano, pag ganyan-ganyan ka. Hard to drink like this. Yes, you drink like this. I drink. You know what? How I drink? I saw you, babe. we drink. We drink.
Below.
We drink. Drink. We drink like this. Tagay pa more. Ganon.
Drink all
Yes.
just in
Yes.
one
Drink
time.
all. Yes. Cheese. Cheese. Tagay. It's called tagay pa more.
That guy.
Tagay means tagay means give me more drink. Give me more wine. Wine. Idol po kita. Idol po kita. Thanks so much, Kaho sa live. Thank you so much sa pagpunta
Carlos
sa
Alay.
katambay. Kaho sa live. Starving. Thank you so much.
I'm good.
Stargate happy because the way we drink wine with different culture.
Yes. And you have shots too?
The shots.
Shots?
When they gave a shot, maybe shots?
Yes, with rem. Rem.
Rem?
Rem.
Rem?
Yes.
One rem?
You drink rem?
Rum? Rum. Tanduay
Rum.
Rem? Rem. Kala ko rem. Rum. Oh yeah, Tanduay Rem.
In French, we say rum. In
Rum.
French. Like
In French.
like Roma, the
Yes,
Italian
Tanduay.
city.
Here, also Tanduay Rum. Rum. Tanduay Rum. Rum. Ram.
Ram.
Ram. It's like also room. Room. Rum.
Room.
Room.
And you drink whiskey and the shot.
Whiskey. You
Yeah.
drink whiskey? Ano?
And vodka.
Whiskey here is called gin. Vodka. Gin. Ginebra. San Miguel. Gin.
Yes, we have gin here too. We also
Gin.
say gin,
You also
but it's different. It's different gin.
different
Whiskey
gin.
and gin. Two.
Oh,
Both.
vodka. Tanduay. Rum also has a rum. Red
With
Horse.
Coke.
Coke.
You can mix with Coke.
Coke the wine.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
You mix the
Coke.
whiskey, Coke,
Yeah.
whiskey, Coke. You don't mix? You don't
Coke.
mix?
It mix. No, I didn't try. Coke.
You didn't mix?
Coke. Mix.
You need to mix. Mix both.
Mix Coke and wine.
No. Whiskey and Coke.
Whiskey. and Coke.
Yes, whiskey and
New,
Coke.
new test. I told here,
And
drink people, a new
when
test
you,
of
if you add,
mix
if you add soda and
soda.
strong
It,
alcohol, it increases the effect of alcohol. If you mix, it's
yeah, the
it's
feel
worse. It's worse because of the
voice
sugar and the soda.
and the
So
acid.
it increases the effect.
You try it.
And they call it alcopop. 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 It's very popular in the UK. It's cheap in the UK,
Cheap,
and in France it's expensive here. Al-
expensive there, but in UK is a cheap alcohol
yes, Alcopop.
drink.
Alcopop
Alcohol,
is cheap
alcohol.
in the UK, so they have drinking problems. British drinking problems because
Oh,
the young buy cheap alcopop because it's easy to drink because it's sweet, so they drink a lot because it's so easy, but the effect explodes explodes their head
low, strong. Yes.
and their throat.
Have a hangover, strong hangover. Man,
Yes,
this feel dizziness.
yes, it's not good to do this.
Yes,
So here they they increase the price in France because they want to avoid the young to drink. So they put up the price of alcohol,
yes.
and there's
Here,
not much. Hmm?
here also a cheap price of alcohol is a gin. They make pomelo,
Comilo,
po,
po,
po.
po, po,
Yeah.
po, po, po.
Pomelo.
I'm drinking water. Too big. Too big?
Too big. I have also too big. So
Too big.
cheers.
Put here. Put
Cheers.
cling.
But
Too big. It's too big for me. Too big for me.
too
It's
big
too good.
is
It's too good.
too big.
Too healthy.
The bottle for me is too big. Water is eau in French. Eau.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh.
oh,
Yes, like the
oh,
letter. Like the letter O. Oh.
oh, oh.
But
Yes.
you type E A U E A U O
QUI. Q
E
U I
A
O
U E A U
A.
O, like this. I type in the chat. See in the chat. You see it?
Okay. Oh, yes. Oh,
It's O.
I forgot. Oh,
It's like it's
yes.
like
Key.
it's the same O, just O, but not the spelling, not O spelling. E A U.
Yes. And yes, yes. K.
We we
We. Yes, I
we.
forgot we. Yes, it's we. We.
O
QUI.
O
We.
O O.
Oh, we.
That's why we say O O.
Oh, we.
Or maybe French people, we
Water.
are surprised. We are surprised when we see O. Oh, oh, oh,
Ah, ah,
oh.
oh,
Because it's not wine.
oh,
It's not wine. So we
oh,
think,
oh. Yes, yes.
oh, it's not wine. Oh, it's just water. It's not wine. It's the best way to learn the language with funny
Yes.
memories like this. And too big. It's too big.
Yes.
Too big,
Too big.
too big to drink.
Too big. Too big is oh. And yes is way. If you
We.
combine oh way.
Oh, we.
Yes. Water is and too big is way.
Oh, we.
Right?
We is
When you
yes.
combine
We.
yes. When you
Yes.
way.
Oh, we. Oh, we.
Oh way.
It means also. Oh, yes. Oh,
Alright.
yes.
Oh, it combines the word way here in Filipino means you live.
What? I don't. You're frozen. Ah, now it works.
Your brother.
You're frozen sometimes. Frozen.
Problem.
Frozen. I want to eat the snack. A snacky snack. How do you
Like
say snack in Tagalog? Snack in Tagalog.
snack, snack,
Snack.
snack,
How do
merienda,
you
merienda.
what? Morienda?
Have you merienda? Merienda ka
Morienda.
na? Wait, wait tayo. Wait, merienda,
Morienda. Morienda.
merienda yan. Merienda.
Oh, there is a thumb down
Ay tayo.
again. There is another thumb down.
Maybe they're my fan,
What?
another fan. I have fans. They put thumbs down, so it's okay.
A friend?
I
It's
have a
friend?
thumbs down. I have a fan.
Oh, a friend. A friend? A friend.
So it's okay.
1 hour already. First 1 hour.
Yes, 1 hour. Yes.
I give this to the person who give thumbs down. Put thumbs up now. Put thumbs up. If you want this, if you want this, put thumbs up. Please, if you
Have a
want,
reward.
we are nice
Who's
people.
the one? Thumbs down.
Please, please.
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's okay. You know what?
This person.
The important we do not doing bad to others. That's the important.
Yes, we don't
We're not
bother.
doing bad to them. What others? I like you. Put thumbs up. They make
Thanks.
effort to press the thumbs down.
16 people. 16
16.
thumbs
Yes.
up. Wait, I'm gonna
Thumbs up.
watch because now you see it's full.
For
You don't see? Look,
what for?
look the cam. My cam.
Oh, 100. 100.
It's time to watch.
100. Wow.
To watch. It's time to
Sana
watch
all.
ourselves. I'm gonna watch ourselves. Watch ourselves soon. Coming soon.
Coming soon. Oh, you have
What?
battery full?
Yes, it's full. It's time to watch ourselves. I need to talk like this because my mom is sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping.
What? See?
You have problem connection. You're, you're frozen. Frozen.
At 2 minutes left.
What?
Oh, what? Chocolate?
Do you see? You can see.
Yes, I see. Chocolate?
Yes.
Chocolate?
It's chocolate. Dark. It's dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Sana all
Yeah.
may chocolate.
Like this. Dark.
Like this. Looks so yummy.
Is it the same? It's not a scam? Oh,
Huh?
it's the same. It's the same. It's not a scam.
The same. Yeah.
It's the same. I don't see you now. You're frozen.
You don't see me, but I see you.
You're
Seriously?
frozen like this.
Freeze?
like this.
Like this.
You're not moving, not moving.
Corazonify, thumbs up Danhos. Thank you so much for Corazonify. Salamat po sa
Thank you,
pagpunta.
corazon.
Thank you so
It's
much. At
Spanish.
Corazonify.
Corazon,
At Corazon.
Spanish word. Heart. It
The
means
Spanish
heart. Heart.
heart.
The heart.
Corazon.
Puso. Puso.
Puso. Heart. Corazon
Yes.
means heart.
Yes. Spanish.
Wow. You see me?
Yes.
Really, you see me?
But you're not
Thumbs
moving.
up.
Frozen. You're
Thumbs up.
frozen.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Salamat Papa Card sa pagpunta. Thank you so much.
Can you drop your links?
You can drop your link.
Papa card.
Mama Lines Kitchen. Hi
Oh,
Sisi, sorry I'm late.
we need to give
It's
jackets.
okay, no worries, Sisi. Thank you
We
so
give.
much, Sisi, sa pagpunta.
We will give
Oh my
jackets.
God. I
Who
didn't
wants?
give the jacket. Not yet.
I
I'm
can
not
give.
connected. It's not working.
Mommy
It's not
signed.
working.
It's okay to be late.
Okay.
The most important is show love and
Yes,
be here
true.
anytime. Be here anytime.
Thank you so much sa
Anytime.
patamsak nyo guys. Salamat po. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa Team Amoris, mga Amoris, Papa Cards, sa mga papakwela dyan. Salamat po ng marami. Mami
There's a
Lines Kitchens, thank you so much sa pagpunta. Corazon ni Pai, thank you po.
Johanna jacket to
Johanna.
everyone.
Johanna.
Everyone has jacket now. So you can share your links. You can drop
Yes,
to be friends.
welcome sis. Thank you so much sis. Ayan, pwede na kayo maglapag ng jacket. And thank you so much. Naglo-loading si host. Still loading si host.
Welcome.
You see me?
Yes, but it's not moving.
It's not moving. Wait.
It's like a picture. You're a picture.
Just a picture.
Mm. You disappear. You hear me? You disconnected. Yeah, you disconnected because I'm alone. Wetlang. Oh. Just wait. Or you have your old account. Use your old account.
Yes, I'm here. Oh my god, sorry, guys.
I hear you, but I don't see you. Oh my god, I'm so hungry.
Sorry.
Yeah,
No, now.
too.
Sorry po. What's that?
Wesley, you don't
Wednesday?
see. You
You
see,
give to those who wants to give thumbs up?
I give this to anyone who wants this.
Yeah, I shout out to give the thumbs up. You have a prize from Nourish by Music, and we we give you the prize, and
It's your pride
it's a surprise.
with a lot of
What the
sugar. If you want to gain weight, there's sugar, sugar and fiber, fiber, fiber.
fiber?
Yes, fiber. A lot of fiber. And
Right?
if you want to be healthy, this price
It's a prize. I have a banana. I have an apple.
it's
I have
small.
an apple.
It's very small.
Welcome, sis.
And also this to stay healthy.
Kiwi.
Yes, kiwi.
Your mom looking at you. Kiwi.
This.
This
You
friend.
do you see the country?
Country I didn't see. Green.
New,
Green.
New
New Zealand.
Zealand.
Wow, New Zealand.
Yes,
Wow.
because that's the country of kiwis. Kiwi
New
country.
Zealand near their country.
No,
Close.
it's near you. Near you.
Near me. New Zealand.
It's near you. It's not near me because it's in the
Kayo
south
pala to
of
Nourish by Music. Yes.
Australia.
Siya si Nourish by Music. Mommy Line's Kitchen. Siya po si Nourish by Music.
Cow. It means food.
Mommy Line's Kitchen. Uh, yeah, you... ano ba yung tawag dun? She... she know you. She notice you. You are nourished by music. She means you see you and
Yes,
where's
we're,
that?
we're
Because
connected already. I'm connected.
Mommy Line's Kitchen.
We are connected already. Mommy's
Yes,
kitchen.
yes, you're connected here.
Mommy's
I will
kitchen.
leave now, guys, to grocery. See you later. Bye, ma. See you later. Thank you, Mommy Line's
Salamat.
Kitchen. Salamat sa
Salamat.
pagbisita.
And see you. I don't know how to say see you in Tagalog.
Sa muling pagkikita.
Sa muling kay Piki pa.
Sa muling.
Sa muling.
Muling pagkikita.
I got a call.
Cold? Cold?
No, fun call. Fun call.
Call? Call? If someone call you?
It's a scam. Another
Ah,
scam.
yeah, me too.
It's a
Yeah,
scam.
me too.
You too?
Scam
Oh,
calling?
hello,
No?
scam. Hello, scammer. Hello. Can you stop scamming? Okay. So I will block you because I don't want. Okay. Blocked. Oh
What
my god. I block the scammer.
you, you block?
I will block. Yeah. Block.
You need to block.
I search. Unknown. Oops, I made a mistake. I call. I call. Block. You see?
You
Block.
block. Thank you. Yes.
It's block.
That's good.
Goodbye forever. Never to see you again.
Don't call me again.
It's always
Don't
yes. Always
don't
zero.
talk again.
It's always 09. The beginning 09.
09.
09.
09.
Yes, 09. Okay. Oh, I need to watch us to watch.
To watch us.
I need to watch 20 something.
20 something. Oh,
20.
21. Oh my god, 21 thumbs up. I
I
thank you
see
so much,
20.
guys. Thanks so much for the thumbs up. Oh my god, thank you so much for the thumbs up.
It's funny because I see myself.
I see myself.
Oh my god.
Thanks so much for the thumbs up.
Always do like me. It's free. Do you know that it's free to give a thumbs up? It's free.
It's free.
You don't pay, just free. It's very easy to do this.
It's so
Just
free to give thumbs up.
yes, free
Yes.
service. It's the best service in the world because it's free.
Maybe someone who thumbs down, uh, she's my fans.
You
The
know,
big,
do you know what is this?
yes,
You know what is this?
yes. What's that?
It's a shaver to shave.
Shaver?
Shaver.
Seriously? Shaver?
It's a joke.
Oh,
It's a shave. Oh my god. I'm so crazy.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much,
See you
guys.
here.
Thank you so much sa pagpunta, sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. And thank you for visiting my home and
Yes.
joining me here, my LS,
Please drop
and for the chat.
drop links. I don't see links. Anyone?
Because they're not good to drop the link because need to be careful.
They have jacket now.
Need to be careful now. Everyone I see in the other LS, they don't drop the link
Why?
because need to be careful.
About
Because
watching
yes, an issue about licorice banana.
when we.
I'm not only experience licorice banana, but
Do
other.
you, do you know your double A?
Not yet. I didn't check.
I
I
know. I can
you know,
see. I
you know.
see it now. Do
Oh my god.
you know what it is?
No, you wait.
Do you want suspense?
Suspense. I want suspense.
I know your double H,
Yes,
uh, W, W,
WH.
double, double H. It's, wait, it's, it's, it's loading. It's
It's
loading.
loading.
Oh, I see my premiere in your, in your.
Yeah, I
So I give you, okay. So I give the first number. So one,
one,
2,
two.
5. 1, 2, 5.
Oh my god.
Before one,
Easy.
1, 8. Before 1, 1, 8.
Yes. Oh my.
But maybe it's not updated. So more. It must be more than 1, 2,
Yeah.
5. 1, 2, 5. Maybe 1, 3, 0.
Yes. Oh my god.
You see, it's on the way, on the road.
I need to work hard for the goal. Oh my god.
Maybe we
You
need
know what?
to
So
dance, sing.
just enjoy. Just enjoy and spread the love and no hates. And no. I need to ignore a negative
Yes.
surrounding
Did you
me.
know? Did you know that a thumb down can be good also? Did you know?
The-
Did you
Oh,
know it can be good? You know why?
yes.
You know why thumb down can be good? because
What?
it because it means it's natural. It's a natural thing. Some people like, some people dislike. It's not
Yeah.
fake, it's real. Just opinions, reality. So it's good. It's just one. It's okay. And the come, so maybe the what?
Yes. Maybe they watch and they need to see what happened.
Maybe they're alone in their life and they think, oh, why I'm not the same? Because we are here and happy.
Yes.
So we encourage everyone to always stay happy.
So maybe the people they don't want to see people happy and grow
They're
because
sad.
honestly, seriously, I am starting to grow and choose who I want in my life.
You're starting to
The right choice. I'm
plant.
happy.
You're planting
Yes.
bananas in the banana farm. That's what you mean. You grow bananas.
Yeah. Yes. That's true. I'm starting to grow and
Bananas. You're planting
bananas. I am planting bananas and
bananas and apples and rice. Many planting. You push.
right.
You're pushing bad people away from life, from our life.
Yes.
Oh, I got a comment. Oh, no, it's not. It's not me. It's you. You got a comment from Salvation. Salvation.
Salvation.
Ganda. Salvation.
I didn't
Na
say.
wow ganda.
She's my sister.
Yes. She commented your
She
video.
commented. I didn't say it
I can read.
below.
I can read.
You can read. I didn't read.
She said,
Oh my God!
wow.
Thanks so much, my sister,
Said,
my beautiful sister, and thanks so much sa support
she said,
na binibigay.
wow. Good luck, sis. Believe in
Sis,
yourself. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Love you,
obstacle.
sis. Miss you. She said this.
Oh my God! I didn't read her message. Thank you
It's
so much.
no, it's a comment. It's not a message. It's
Yes,
comment below
yes.
below the video.
Comment from my sister.
Yes, a comment. You
Thank
can
you.
see a notification. You can see
Thanks so much,
Salvas.
my Salvation.
Maybe she's here now.
She's here. She's here. She's here right now.
2 million viewers.
So thanks so much for my 2 million viewers and for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for my 21 thumbs up.
Did
Thank you so much.
you did you post in the group, Facebook group?
Yes,
You post?
yes,
Yes?
yes.
I will see. I will give a like. like the post.
Thank you so much. Actually, Mateo Ferrari vlog, he already liked my post.
Oh, Matteo Ferrari.
So, yes, Amari.
Oh, that's why he comes here. Posted. This is why we need so many friends in the group because they can see
Yeah,
when you're live always, and we can visit them also,
yeah. You can visit them.
and we can all visit back. I will put heart heart
Thanks
in your
so
post.
much.
Mitchell, she likes also. She sees.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up and for my 2 million viewers. Thank you so much. You know what, yesterday I feel after my LS, I
You're
feel so
sleepy.
sleepy.
Yes,
Yes,
I didn't see your message.
yes. I
Yes.
sleep over and when I wake up, wait, I didn't say. When I wake up, I didn't, I forgot to say good night.
And you
Sabi,
sleep
I
well.
thought,
You sleep
yes.
well
But I wake up early, 6 or 7 here.
to work at the farm. Work at the
No,
farm.
I'm not going at the farm, but planning going to farm, but it canceled because I feel sleepy. I
But
feel tired.
they go without you. They go without you.
My sister go there
So
because
not
our farm need to manage, and so because
the.
need to harvest, mini harvest
It's
the
almost
rice.
finished. Almost done. Almost done.
Yeah, almost done. And now they're what we called it, Hardix
What?
point.
Harvest. Harvesting.
So near to harvest, maybe November, October harvest time. I will send. I will make a video. Harvest time, rice farm, and you will see.
You will make a special video because
Yes,
you need also video, not just LS, also special video with
yes,
to interest
yes,
to interest
yes.
uh, everyone.
So everyone, you what? Ano ba yun?
Can you
Wait. Ay.
I think you need to go closer. You need to be
Closer.
here,
Yes.
closer.
ba yan? Good night? Ah,
Screen shot.
ay,
Screen.
screenshot.
I
Maraming
did.
ano.
I did.
You did? You did.
I did. My heart beats fast.
This past, it looks like real.
Yes, because when I do this, I feel I see you, and it's like I'm in the screen, the other side.
I didn't experience kiss in public. Even holding hands, walk, walking in public, walking in
Why?
public, holding hands. I never experienced like that with my, remember?
Yes.
I never experienced holding hands and while walking and kiss on the public. Different culture, maybe. But
Uh, they
some
don't do.
people, some people here did that. They kiss on public
Some people do
when
it,
you see,
and some people
yes,
don't.
so-
It depends
some
on
people do.
the person. Here, sometimes here they don't like, and sometimes, but most like, but it happens sometimes. They're private and they're not comfortable. Sometimes it happens
Mm,
because eyes are looking at them.
yes, yes,
But here, but here they don't mind. They don't look if you kiss. It's just a kiss because
it's
they
just a
love
kiss.
each other. We don't need
But
to.
yeah,
It's not. It's not bad. It's not a bad thing. So it's just people don't look. It's just normal.
it's not the big deal there.
Yes, not
Here, the
because
big is the issue.
they love each other.
You know what? Filipino, many Filipino people, easy to judge, perfectionist. Some, not all, but some.
Yes. Sometimes, maybe most,
I didn't read the
I send you
comment. Yes,
screenshots.
yes, he will send. I will read now
It,
because
it's it's long. Uh, it works. It works. I send uh four, maybe four. Uh, some are not good, but it's okay. I think one is
okay,
good.
one is good.
It's hard to be exactly the same level.
Same level.
Yes, same level, like here, same up and down.
Um,
But
I think I'm
I love,
looking good
I love
because
what?
I'm not put anything in my face, even lipstick. I'm not put. I'm look pale. See?
You look pale.
Yes, I don't have any lipstick or makeup.
I kiss you. Can I
Yeah, but
fix you?
yes,
Uh, I don't mind the
you don't
lipstick
mind.
or anything.
I wonder why you still like me even if I'm not beautiful, you know?
Maga-
I'm
Magayon ka.
magayon,
Magayon ka.
magayon.
Maganda ka.
Ow,
Ikaw. Ikaw.
ikaw, ako.
Ikaw. Ah,
Wish I met you before I'm 24 years old, but
why 20? Oh yeah,
um,
24.
but it
It's
happened.
it's an important age there. Here, there's no age. No age.
Yes, maybe
Because
maybe before.
there's no milestone. It's not a milestone. It's life. We love whatever the age. Oh my god. Did
I
you
miss you.
see Namiss kita?
Yes, Sumamong.
No one is messaging.
I didn't read message. Last
uh,
message, mommy lines.
gros- grocery. Oh, kitchen. It's the
Mommy lines
my
kitchen.
follower. It's my follower.
Yes,
Mom's. Oh, mom's
yes,
kitchen.
yes. You remember,
Oh,
you forget mommy lines kitchen.
oh, but she changed the name
Yeah, maybe
because
before
remember before it's not mommy.
mommy's
It's
kitchen. I remember.
just mom. Mom.
Just mommy's. Oh yeah, just mom's
Mom.
kitchen.
Mom. So it's the same.
I think it's not the same.
Uh, it's not the same.
Different
Mommy Lines Kitchen.
mommy line.
I'm gonna type in YouTube now. Mommy. Oh, I forgot to share the Facebook group to people.
It's
I need to share to join
you need to
us.
share.
Mommy's Kitchen. She can share. She can join, and others. Every people, any people.
Yeah,
It's loading. It's loading.
it's loading. Pinaliwalang ako dahil sa'yo. Wala naman kay sayang pagmamahal. Kahit tagal ko ding hinihintay ko. Ikaw na pala ang nagmamayari ng pagkasabi na lang
Oh,
na huwag
I'm not.
mag-alala. okay lang
Not
ako. Kaya't humihiling ako kay Bathala. Sana ay hindi ka na mag-isa.
you know what?
Na sana lang. Yes,
I'm not connected to Mommy's Kitchen, so I never met.
you never?
No, because I
Why?
see now. I
Oh,
never see before.
so maybe a new,
Oh no, it's what I don't understand because
you
I'm
don't understand.
I switched account. I switched account. It's you.
Yes.
You're not connected.
Ah, okay, okay. Sorry.
I think it's
I
you.
think you connected her.
You're connected. Maybe because I use so you don't. See, we can't see. Maybe if I use yes. Oh, I'm connected to her.
You connected her.
I see now. Yes,
Yeah.
I am. I'm gonna leave a message. Maybe. Uh, chocolate and cheese. Love. Bread.
Kahosa
With
Live.
what?
You know Kahosa Live? Kahosa Live?
Cows alive? Mm, I don't think so. I need to search cows alive.
I didn't find her. I tried to
Oh,
find
I can't
her.
find.
You find her?
Me too. I can't. No. How
Kahosa
do you
Live.
spell?
Say
How
A.
do you
Ayan, ang dami
spell?
na comment.
What?
C A H. Kahosa Live.
C A
C A H
C A
O
H.
A H
Okay.
O.
Oh,
It's A.
I found. Oh, it's a man.
If it's a
It's a
man?
man. I see a
Oh,
man.
it's a man. It's a
Yes,
man.
but only one subscriber. It's him. One subscriber.
Oh, maybe, ah, one subscriber. Or
Yes, I
maybe
see cows. Oh, did you know the news here?
what the news?
Yesterday, there's a
Yes.
small earthquake. Earthquake. Small
Huh?
earthquake.
Earthquake? Earthquake?
Earthquake. Yes, earthquake.
Earthquake? There?
Yesterday, I see in the news, very close to here.
Wow.
It's
Um,
very, very small. Small.
slight, slight effect.
Maybe just,
So, s-
maybe just
just,
the walls, just the walls.
okay. Just, dig, dig,
But
dig, dig.
but we didn't feel. I didn't feel.
You, you
We
didn't feel
didn't
the,
feel earthquake
but you
because
have an effect.
it's small. It's 1 hour from here. 1 hour. 50
1 hour.
minutes. 50 minutes.
Okay.
Cows alive. So it's a man.
It's a man. I thought She was a woman because looks like the coat. It's black because the icon is a small.
Yes. User Kaba. It's the title of the video.
User
User Kaba.
user kaba.
Interrogation. They ask the question.
And
User Kaba. I don't know what it means.
user kaba.
User Kaba.
Wait, follow up
Yes.
na. Hi, good evening. Happy to see you both again.
Oh.
User kaba.
Oh.
It
Oh.
means
Yes.
kaba. Are you user?
Oh, okay.
Kaba
User Kaba.
means kaba. Are you?
Hello. Follow Sapna.
Hi, hello, follow
My
Sapna. Thanks so much for
our
joining
good
here.
good evening there.
Follow Sapna.
And
Thank you so much.
here it's
Follow Sapna.
also evening. Did you connect follow Sapna? You connected?
Evening. Yes, at 6 p.m. Almost
Yes. It's
p.m. there.
5:54.
5:54.
5:54. And I'm
Yes.
still here. We're still here. I'm the own viewer. Thanks for thumbs up.
Copy. Share.
How many?
What? Okay.
21, I think.
21.
I don't know. Maybe it's not updated because
Yes.
we don't refresh. We don't refresh. Uh, oh, I don't know. It says 4 people. Hello, um, viewers. The fourth.
Hello.
Follow Sapna and others. I
Follow
was bored.
Sapna. I was
Hello.
bored alone. It's great connecting you guys. Thank you so much thank you so much for joining us here. Follow
Yes, we
Sapna.
missed.
Can I ask you if you a boy or a woman or a man? Follow Sapna.
Oh yeah,
I wonder if
because we don't know yet.
we don't know
It's
if
the
you are a
mystery.
woman or a mystery who you are.
We are like Sherlock Holmes. We're gonna try to find investigation. Oh my god, I'm thirsty. I need water. Too big.
Too big. You need to drink too big. My
Oh,
name is Sapna. You can call me by it. Sapna. So means are you a woman? Sapna.
oh, Sep.
Sapna means a woman. Alright? My name is Sapna. You can call me by it.
I
Are you a
never
woman?
heard.
Are you Sapna? A
I
nice name.
I never heard the
Yes,
name.
there.
Sep.
Actually, my channel name is
I
Follow
think I
Sapna.
never
Kind of twist. Yes, kind of twist. Follow Sapna.
twist.
It's kind of twist. Me too. My name is
Oh
Sharon,
yes. That-
and it's nice to
yeah,
twist
there's also
also.
picture, so
Yes,
so
they
you
are.
can guess. I'm so thirsty. It's hot today, but it's raining.
Hot but raining.
Yes, it's good to be together when if you're bored, the followers say.
Well, as September is starting of Christmas season, Christmas feels.
Yes, so now you're having the tree already, the Christmas
No,
tree.
having trip to mountain to farm. Wish I can go to the falls, the waterfalls, to the park, but didn't. It's still strict here.
Yes, you can't do Christmas now. It's
Stay at
not
home.
the it's not the season.
Stay at home at Christmas.
Yeah, but it's good to be home with
Yes,
people, with family, because
yes, it's good.
last
Yes,
year, Manila, in the
yes.
capital city,
Last year Manila.
I got news.
It seems one
It's
day
just
we can see each other like an international friend. I'll follow Sapna. It seems one day we can see each other like an international friend. Yes, follow Sapna, you are right. We can see. We can see each
cheers
other.
to this
So cheers. Cheers.
in Asia.
Search.
In
Cheer. Cheer for the
Cheers. You can
for
put
the
your
goal.
glass here.
Wait, I need to put the water. Wait.
Oh, you put it here. You're
Cheers.
too close.
Cheers.
Cheers. We need the sound.
Kailangan may
You know the
pa-sound trip si Ho. Yes. Your sounds, I need to play your
uh,
sound, I think. Need to play.
oh, I didn't see the message. um, you know the
I think
tradition.
he follows up na. She said, thank you. Follows up na, are you a woman or a man?
I think she already said because
She's a woman.
Nah,
Sap, yes.
Nah,
Sapna is a woman.
I think. Well, she
Bilog
said
ta.
the name.
Yes.
Citrus. Yes, that's.
Or
I think that's easy to see. To see it. Do you
Right?
say uh, it's common to say deer in India? India, they say deer. Maybe uh,
Yes.
more.
One day
They say
I
deer.
live will become one. Wait. Once I am married,
Welcome.
will become a woman. What? But married become
Maybe
a
yes, you mean she means wife,
oh,
maybe like a wife.
I see your premiere piano and violin, no copyright. The woman
Oh
play
yes,
piano.
you can see
Yes,
it's
I love this. I love this.
yeah, my
Interesting.
premiere
Yes,
tomorrow at 6 p.m. your time and noon
yes,
my time, noon for my
yes.
time. She's laughing.
She's laughing. I am unmarried. She's unmarried. How old are you, Sapne? Let me know you. Can we know how old are you, Sapna?
To be
Sapna
true,
means
true friends.
true friends.
Uh, Maybe we can share the Facebook group to always
Yes,
connect. And
you should. 25 running. 25 running is so young. She's so young.
what?
Running 25.
Running?
Follow Sapna. 25.
Oh,
Just
I
she's
didn't see the
24
message.
now.
Oh, now I
24
see.
now because running
It's
25.
late. I mean, there's a
Yeah,
delay when I see the message in the chat. It's
running
later
25.
to receive.
Are you in a relationship, Sapna?
She wants to know your life,
Sapna.
to
Yes,
be real friends.
she's in a relationship. Uh, planning to be married. I'm a reporter, interviewer. What country would you want to go? Oh my god.
I- Is it hot there also? India. India is hot country also. Same as Philippines. Must be hot.
Yeah,
I don't know this season. There's no season, maybe.
London to my London.
London.
She has a boyfriend. London.
Oh,
Wow,
for
so sad.
English
You
man.
have a boyfriend in
Oh,
London.
maybe you know the movie.
I think
There's a
maybe
movie.
you are so beautiful, Sapna. You're
There's a
so
movie
beautiful.
with an Indian woman, with uh, an Irish man. Ben Bandit like Beckham. The title.
Banded.
Maybe you know the movie. Bandit like Beckham. Beckham.
Oh, okay.
Bandit like Beckham. It's a movie with an Indian woman who who falls in love with an Irish man. He's a trainer, football trainer, and they. It's really interesting movie because the parents are not maybe religious, and but it's interesting and also funny.
She said, thank
Long
you
time
for the complimentary.
for the complimentary. I wanted to
Yeah,
say that you have
complimentary.
good smile. You have a good smile. Yes, she has a very lovely smile. But now the screen is frozen.
And she said, by the way, I wanted to say that you have a very good smile. That you have a very good smile. Who's the very good smile? Me, nourished by music, or me?
You
I
you
think
because
nourished.
you're the hot you're the host. She's
Maybe you
talking to you.
are the very good
No,
smile.
she's talking to you.
If you are, who's the very good
I'm not
smile?
smiling. I'm
You.
serious. I'm serious.
Who's you?
I'm not serious. I'm serious. I'm serious.
She said you.
Serious face.
So who's you?
You because you ask her, so it's you.
Oh yeah. Thank you
You
so
ask.
much. Yes, because I asked her. Thank you so much, Shapna.
Yes, Cheryl home. Cheryl home because you're home.
I put a little bit
You're home.
music, your music. Close your eyes
All
and
right.
enjoy.
I meditate. Uh, oh yes, the group. I forgot. I need to share. So follow Sapna and anyone watching. We have a group to share the videos. Facebook group. So
Yes.
I share it now. Our Facebook group to be updated because sometimes we have
Cheryl has a very good.
too many notifications.
Thank you so much.
So some you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
So sometimes we have too many notifications on YouTube. So it's good to have a group outside of YouTube, like Facebook.
Mm. I will check it later. Thank you. Follows up, na. She said, it's me. Have a very good smile. Our Facebook group
Out
to share our
Facebook
state uploaded. Yes.
updated, yes, and uploaded
Yes.
also. You
Yes. I have Instagram and Facebook account to on my name on Falsap na. Okay, I will. Me too. Same. And I also have a TikTok, a same name, Cheryl
oh she oh yes you um yes I have Instagram too, but I'm not using much long time ago. Instagram, uh, Facebook group, Facebook group.
Yeah.
We put music.
I almost 2 hours live.
Oh, it's my first. Is it my first
Good.
video?
Something she said good.
I recognize it's my very first video of YouTube. The very first uh,
Yes.
pop, dream pop, dream pop.
Drip Dream.
Yes, it's a dream pop. Follow
Dream Pop.
Sapna.
Song Pop. Yes. This is
So
your
it's the same name.
favorite music.
It's convenient to have the same.
First music video.
Wow, it's raining.
Raining there.
Yes. Follow Sapna. There are many follow Sapna on Facebook. Uh,
Many.
yeah,
Many
well,
follows up
oh,
na.
it's the name of the groups follow Sapna. Uh, also a page. There's also a page. So it's hard to know. Oh my god, the very first video.
Yes, your first music video. And you have
How
a
many like
2000, how
uh
many likes? 62 likes. And you have a one thumbs up.
one thumbs
62
up?
likes. And yes, I wonder why you have thumbs up. So, see,
Oh, down,
just
down.
yeah, thumbs down, sorry.
Mm.
62 thumbs up and one thumbs
And
down.
the views. Long time I didn't
And
see
the views is
this video. 2000.
November 5 last year. November 5
So
last year. The views 2,132.
in 10 months, it's
And yes,
a long road. 10
yes, because
months.
yes, 10 months now, September already.
Oh, I found photos. You want to see old photos, my travels
Photoshop.
in Ireland, Dublin.
I you trip on Dublin,
It's me,
Ireland, Ireland. Wow,
2009.
you're so
You
young
can
there.
see.
Yes,
Yes. In here, it's the
yes.
university, the big university.
University in Ireland.
It's very
In
old,
Ireland.
maybe like Harry Potter style, maybe.
Wow,
Yes, memories.
memories,
Yeah,
happy memories.
with it's my first trip ever in my life. The very first trip,
Uh,
2009. 2009.
are you single at that time?
Yes, single boy at that time.
Yes.
Yes, uh, I met someone, a group approached me in the streets, and not good because they were drunk.
You're drunk?
Yes, they said follow us in the streets, and they drank beers,
Mm.
and I didn't follow because they were. It
You didn't follow.
was maybe it was dangerous, and that that night, I lost my hotel card, my hotel card to enter my room. I lost it. Maybe I lost it because of the young, the young group.
Yes.
So I had no card
I
to
never
enter the room.
experienced it outside Philippines.
Where can you go outside Australia? Australia is not far, I think. New
Of
Zealand.
course, yes.
Oh, Malaysia. Malaysia. You didn't
Can
go
I go?
to Malaysia.
No, I
No,
didn't go
before.
there.
Oh, you didn't.
Before,
Oh, you didn't go.
I'm planning to go
You were
before.
planning to go to
Yes.
to
No,
Malaysia,
not Malaysia. No, not Malaysia.
Japan,
Japan. Japan.
Japan. It's is it close? How many hours? Japan,
I think
2 hours
here in Philippines, maybe. I don't know.
with the flight.
Japan is, I think, when go to US or Europe, Japan is, what we call this, arrival,
Arrival.
stop, arrival, Japan.
Yeah,
When go, going to America, Europe,
you planned before, but you couldn't go.
stop over in Japan, maybe terminal.
You had you wanted to go to Japan.
I want to go, but not now, now because of crisis.
Yes, it's too sad. Even countries, close countries, we can't go. Even neighboring countries. We we can in Europe, but it's not a good choice to do it. Many people
Yes,
travel this summer.
not
Uh, they they
travel.
go to Spain. They go to Spain. Spain is on the
Follow
red
Sapna.
list.
I really want to go Japan for the cherry blossoms.
No. Oh yes, the
Yes,
cherry
for the
blossom.
cherry blossom.
Is it in spring? The
Just
spring?
for the cherry blossom.
Autumn?
The
I don't
spring.
remember.
Yeah.
Yes, the cherry blossoms. Uh, I think it's in the spring season.
And I want to go in Japan just for work. But have a place there. So one of the beautiful place like a bamboo, and I know not Japan, Korea. It's the Korea romantic
Korea,
place, and also Japan, the
South
bamboo
Korea,
there.
bamboo place,
Yes, in Japan,
and the flute,
beautiful
the bamboo
place.
flute, beautiful grace or place.
Yes, place,
Yes, the
place,
cherry
beautiful
blossoms. I can
place.
see here we have cherry blossoms also. I see the cherry blossom.
France, France,
Yes, as
really?
near my home before. Remember where I lived before? I
Yeah,
took pictures with the cherry blossoms.
yes, I see.
Sometimes
That's a cherry
we
blossom.
can
That's
we can
colored,
find,
so beautiful.
but it's not the same because it's just some places.
Yes.
And yes, in Japan we can see uh, famous pictures with the Mount. What's the name of the Japanese mount?
Mountain,
No, just the mount. Oh, Fuji. Mount
Fuji,
Fuji.
Fuji Mountain.
Fuji, the mount. It's not the mountain, but just
I
the
want to
mount.
go. My dream. I want to go in Switzerland. Remember,
What?
we go there,
You want?
Switzerland. My dream.
Oh, the mountains.
Yes,
Switzerland, Ireland, all the land, Iceland.
yes.
Every name
Switzerland,
with the
Poland,
land.
England,
Oh yes, Poland. But
Netherlands.
Poland,
We go there.
yeah,
Haveland, Iceland,
Switzerland,
Switzerland, Netherlands, Poland,
yes,
Ireland. We visit Helen in Ireland.
yes. We visit her, and she go to many places, to the restaurants, the bars,
The
the
bar.
coffee shops. She always goes everywhere. Helen,
Oh. She's a party goer.
no, but
Classy.
she just she just goes inside the coffee
Yeah,
shops. Tea, she likes tea. Crepes,
yes,
you know crepes, crepes.
purpose.
And they sell crep crepes. It's
Crap.
it's something we make here. It's like pancake, a sort of pancake, a
Mm.
type, just a pancake, and very famous in my region because they come from here, the crepe.
Mm. Mhm.
So we, it's like rounded form, rounded shape. We can put
Yes.
ham, an egg, sugar, butter, salted butter,
Yeah.
and it's a good. Here we have so many places like this. Sometimes there are cities, there are more. creperies than restaurants. It's crazy. There are less restaurants than creperies.
That's good.
Crepe. It's so good. I can smell it just by the memory. Oh, I can show you because I have here. I have crepes. Crepe.
You have, Chris?
Yes, but they're not homemade. They're just from the
Homemade.
store. They're just from the store. Crepe.
Oh, yes. Yes.
You know? You see this?
I know now. Yes, I see this. I see that here
Do you,
also.
do you see the name? The name crepe.
With
You see?
huh?
Wait, I can't show you well. Oh, now you see maybe
Breton.
better.
Breton.
Crepe.
Crepes. Crepes Breton. Oh, Froment.
Yes.
Froment. Bretons.
Breton because it comes
Breton.
from Brittany. Brittany, the region.
Okay.
Yes. Crepes from Brittany. Breton
Bret-
crepes. I am
Crepes.
Breton. I am Breton.
You are a British.
No,
British.
Bret. No, Breton. Ton.
Brit-
Breton.
Britain.
Brittany.
Britain.
Here,
Brittany.
Brittany. It's South Brit. It's there is Great Britain, the UK. Here it's South. Uh, it's in France, but it's in the north of France. It's Celtic,
And fake.
like Irish, Celtic, like the music, Celtic music. Yep.
The crep.
For any thumb up, a crepe.
Thumbs up.
So you need to give six six thumbs up, please.
6 thumbs up.
Six.
Wow.
This is your reward, your prize. This is your prize. You're sleepy. You're sleepy.
Yes.
You're yawning. So now you know the
Yeah.
crepes from
And now I know the
Brittany.
crepes.
And
Breton.
Breton,
Bret.
in French, Breton,
Bro. Breton.
Breton. Yeah, Breton, Breton.
Breton.
Uh, I don't
The
have the
accent.
flag. Yes, the accent. It's raining a little, I think, just a little. Maybe you don't see, just a little.
As it so.
It's gray. It's too gray, the weather. Maybe you see the neighbor, the smoking neighbor,
Smoking neighbor.
but uh, it's illegal. Illegal.
Legal.
Not legal. Illegal.
Illegal.
Yes, it's
Illegal.
illegal. Illegal. Like this. But
Yeah, I don't
in
like
France, many, too many. There are so many.
smokers
I don't like the smell. The
of
smell.
cigarette.
Oh yeah. Ah yes. Also, but this is legal. Cigarette is legal.
Illegal.
Of course, it's always legal. The cigarette.
Or are also legal, but expensive because of tax.
Because of what?
Tax.
Oh, tax. Yes, the tax. Here, I think they increase the price. Uh, they want to reduce smokers, so they bring up the price, and it's more expensive. I don't like my mom. Not my mom. My dad's girlfriend is a smoker, but too much, and I don't know he can stand how he stands or because in the car, in the bed, in the on the balcony, everywhere, the clothes,
Everyone.
the smell, the smoke, and it's not good for the teeth. The teeth,
It's so
and
yellowish for the teeth.
what?
The yellowish if smokers teeth.
Yes, it's not good at all.
Smokers
So I prefer to not do it. I
don't
never tried. I never
never.
had one in my life. Can you believe it? Never tried it.
I try.
I'm
I
so
try
healthy.
when you're young.
So healthy.
I
You
try.
tried
Yes,
and you
but
don't
when I
like
try,
when you tried. You didn't like.
I try because mm, when it's uh, depression, I want to. They said the decrease
The pressure.
depression, stress, but it's
Oh,
not working for me.
it's not working because it's an addiction. So maybe if you smoke, you do it so you know you're depressed. So it doesn't work because
It
you
doesn't hurt.
smoke and you think why I'm doing it? Oh, because I'm depressed. Oh,
Yeah,
so you feel depressed.
because
So
I'm
it's
just
not work.
curious about that time. I'm just curious, not depressed at all that time
Al-
when I try.
It's the same with alcohol. People drink. It
I
doesn't work.
try alcohol.
It
I
works.
drink alcohol, but just an
Yes.
occasion, not always.
Yes, just to drink or on the weekend. Just one. I drank last time with when I see my family lunch lunch at my sister. We drink red wine.
Yes,
In France, it's an occasion, but
it's
many
normal.
occasions, just weekend occasion. But they say, they say that red wine, just one drink, is good for the heart. The doctor said, uh, even whiskey, just a little whiskey, it's good to start the
Risk.
heart, to make it start to, I don't know, to clean up. Maybe it cleans up, but it works only in moderation. Just drink of red wine or whiskey.
Mm,
It's good. It's good and it's not bad. I think it's just the same with everything. Everything you do too much is not good. If you eat too much sugar, it's not good. Salt, too much salt,
too much
never
salt.
good. Too fat, too fatty. So just live life, make good decisions in moderation. You can enjoy this even just one day. It's okay because it's just one
Yes,
day. It has no impact on your body if you do it just once in a while.
mm,
I'm gonna have a break from the live. I'm going back. Be right back. You stay. I just go back 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Maybe 2 minutes. Maybe just 2 minutes. 2 minutes.